Hi, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the Swagman Trailhead 3 hanging style bike rack. Now, this bike rack is easy to use and it's a reliable way to secure your bikes for your next adventure with friends or family. Now let's take a closer look at some of its features. The Trailhead 3 is going to come out of the box nearly assembled. The only step is to rotate the arm into its proper position. We can now install the final bolt. First, take your flat washer, place it on your bolt. I'm going to go ahead and pass it through. Then on the opposite side, you will place the lock washer and then the nut. Now we need to tighten down our bolts using 19mm sockets or wrenches. Now that the bolts have been properly tightened, you can go ahead and install the Trailhead 3 on your vehicle. The Trailhead 3 bike rack can fit either an 1¼ or a 2-inch receiver. If you need to equip it on an 1¼ receiver, the provided Allen key will help you remove this bolt that will remove the spacers, allowing it to fit in your vehicle. Because we're installing this on a 2-inch receiver, we will be leaving the spacer on the bike rack. Now simply insert your Trailhead 3 into your car's receiver. Use the provided threaded bolt and R pin, and it can be inserted on either side of the vehicle. You can now use a 19mm socket to tighten the threaded bolt. Tightening this bolt will help reduce wobble in the bike rack and keep it securely in the vehicle. In order to prepare this bike rack for use, we're going to need to raise the arms. You're going to go ahead and do this by removing this safety clip. Raise the arms, and then you can reinsert the safety clip in another provided hole. The Trailhead 3 has an anti-wobble feature with this bracket and provided knob. We're going to go ahead and thread them on the back and take the slack out of the bike rack. Go ahead and insert the bolt, thread it down, being sure to align your bracket like so, and then tighten it down. Pull as much slack out of the bike rack as you can and tighten it to a snug fit. And this should eliminate some of the wobble. When loading bikes onto your bike rack, be sure to put the heaviest bike on the rack first. The Swagman has provided 4 rubber straps per bike, as well as the ability to change where you put the straps, giving you the versatility for securing your bike in multiple ways. 2 across, maybe we remove this one, and we put it on the bottom, and we come across our down tube. Now, as you can see, the straps have kept the bike in place and secure during your adventure. If you do intend to load a second bike, do put the handlebars on this side and rotate them as you add bikes to the rack. One of the cool features to note on the Trailhead 3 is the fact that your cradles are adjustable. So when you're using a bike that's maybe thicker than the average, got a bigger seat, you can put your cradle where you need it to be. And our most important feature on the Trailhead 3 is the ability to tilt the bike rack away with a bike on it so you can access your cargo area. Simply remove your safety pin. Carefully support the rack. Now you have access to your cargo area. The Swagman Trailhead 3 weight capacities are 35 pounds per bike and a max total of 100 pounds for the rack. So that wraps up our review of the Swagman Trailhead 3 bike rack. If you have any questions about this rack, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your local U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.